Hey everyone, welcome to Whaler's channel. Today I'll show how to fix the app unavailable in your region error on Google Play. First, we need to download and open Google Play Store. We'll start with a VPN. I'm going to use Turbo VPN. Let's install it, and while it's downloading, go to Phone Settings. Next, we need to create a new Google account. Choose Google, select Account, add a second one. Got it? Now, let's create the new account here. After creating and logging in, go to Settings. We need to find the app here. Okay? In Storage, find Apps, then locate Google Play Store. Alright. Here it is. Open it and clear the cache. Then go to the VPN. Top right, you'll see servers. Pick a country. There are free and paid options. Here's the free section. I'll choose the United States and connect to the VPN. Now go back to Google Play. Here. Select the new account we just created to search for apps. That's it. This was Whaler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life. Good luck and goodbye, everyone.